Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I received a beautiful bag with a lot of stuff in it. It's been sitting here for almost a month. The plans I had for it kind of like passed me by. But in this bag, there is a Jo Malone box, which I've already opened, and there is a candle which smells beautiful in there. There is a perfume, and there is a makeup bag in this beautiful box. So let's see. Glasses on again. You know, all eyes need glasses. It is the English Pear and Freesia Cologne. Smells good. Love it. Smells as nice as the candle. So I have these, and then I got a palette, Lancome, a Parisian Wanderlust eye and face palette. This is the palette. I have swatched this one already. So this is the palette. And there is the blush and highlighter set underneath. It's like a little drawer. You push this in, you can pull it up. So, and this is cute. I'm going to use that today. And then the rest of the stuff that is in this are samples. These are all the samples in here. Perfume samples. Michael Kors. This is Coach. Donna Karan. Jimmy Choo. Another Michael Kors. Mont Blanc. Dior. Another Coach, Miss Dior, and another Mont Blanc. So all these samples, I'll be happy to enjoy them. Again, this was a gift that was given to me. And it's been sitting here since Thanksgiving. Haven't had the chance to do anything. I think that renovation wiped me out, and I got lazy after that. But I'm back. So today we are going to use the Lancome palette. These will be used in another video. We are in the holiday mood party, so we will try some holiday colors. I'll put down a transition color. Let's see. Start right here. I am back with the look for today. I use the Lancome palette, and the colors that I use are these colors right here, and in the pan they look like this. I use this color all over my eyes, then I put this all over it, then I take this green and put in the inner corner, then I take this gold and I put in the middle, then I take this dark color right here, it's like a grayish black, and I put right in the end of my eye right there, just a little bit, to give it a little bit more depth. Those are the colors that I use. This is today's look. Take your palette out, play in some makeup, have some fun, lift your spirits up. Just do something with your palette. When you sit down and start playing in your makeup, whether you're filming or not, it just takes you to a whole other place, and it's fun. Have fun with your palette. Today's word, encouraging word, is quiet time. Find some quiet time for you. Quiet time is very important for your soul. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.